In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of robotic process automation. Process automation has gained a reputation for allowing organizations to work smarter, not harder. There are 5 core benefits of RPA: return on investment, rapid scaling, better compliance, easy to implement, and better customer and employee satisfaction. Firstly, adopting RPA is known for delivering a rapid return on investment. ROI is measured in money saved, as well as increased speed, accuracy, and innovation. Having software bots take over the repetitive tasks that previously required humans to complete can be a huge time saver. They are also able to complete tasks with more accuracy, since the human error element is removed. Fewer errors save organizations money. And with the boring work being removed from the employee's workload, they are able to focus on innovation. Another perk of automation is scalability. RPA systems can act like elastic to adapt to workload changes. Additional software bots can be easily deployed to handle large volumes of data when the workload spikes. RPA can be scaled back during slowdowns too. Without the lengthy on- and off-boarding processes, scaling RPA up and down is very fast, compared to scaling human workforces. What's great about digital workers too, is that they are available to work 24/7. This means you can use them as much or as little as you need. Software bots can significantly reduce errors when it comes to compliances too. They can be programmed to adhere to policies, business rules, and procedures while they complete tasks. Process automation can also document audit trails to capture all mistakes and quickly fix them. Lastly, compliancy knowledge is better protected and more easily accessible in the software bot rather than the head of an employee. Tailoring RPA to suit your workflow needs is easy, but so is implementation. RPA is non-invasive. That means it sits on top of your existing systems. This eliminates the need to create, replace, or further develop your existing infrastructure. RPA can access your applications and tools by logging in just like a human would. Improved customer satisfaction is another positive effect of RPA. While work is being automated in the background, employees are freed up to spend more time with customers. As a result, response times increase, issues get resolved faster, and clients feel happier. Employee satisfaction levels also rise as a result of process automation adoption. Their jobs used to be filled with mundane work that would lead to boredom and burnout. With RPA, they will feel more fulfilled by engaging in value-driven tasks like customer service, creative expressions, and decision-making. However, it would not be accurate to say that there are only benefits of implementing process automation into your workflows. Let's get into some of the risks. Cost of ownership, risk of technical depth, security, governance of scale, and technical limitations are a few notable drawbacks of automation. One of the first concerns people have when considering process automation is cost of ownership. Despite rapid ROI, there are still costs of licenses, training, and maintenance to consider. You'll need to pay for the RPA software, as well as training for your employees to program and maintain the bots. Even if you opt to use an RPA consulting company, there will be the cost of the service plan. Working RPA into your organization's technology budget is key to avoiding surprise expenses. The second risk associated with process automation is technical depth. As previously mentioned, process automation sits on top of the application layer and does not require a systematic overhaul. While that can be seen as a benefit, it also negates the incentive for management to update legacy systems. This presents the risk of these old systems failing, which would disrupt your automation. To avoid this risk, it's important to start with an RPA strategy that includes an analysis of the health of existing applications and systems. And then there are also some inherent security concerns. Data leakage and theft are the 2 major threats associated with RPA. Software bots require login credentials to interact with applications. A cyber attacker may intercept these usernames and passwords to gain access to sensitive data. To avoid this risk, proper governance needs to be established prior to automation adoption. Speaking of governance, deciding who will interact with the bots and manage them is another hurdle. Without a proper plan, wires could get crossed and 2 people could be managing the same bot. Alternatively, multiple employees could be using bots to assist them in their daily jobs. In this situation, a centrally managed governance, like a center of excellence, would be helpful to deflect any issues. Lastly, there are some technical limitations that make RPA imperfect. Technology continues to mature over time, but there may still be technical limitations. To avoid any surprises, a detailed process analysis is necessary. So there you have it, a clear picture of the benefits and drawbacks of process automation. Return on investment, rapid scaling, better compliance, easy to implement, and better customer and employee satisfaction are among the benefits of RPA. These benefits are offset by concerns regarding cost of ownership, risk of technical debt, security, governance of scale, and technical limitations. It is worth mentioning that all the benefits can be had, and the drawbacks avoided, if process automation is implemented carefully and thoughtfully. A strategy that takes you all the way from inception to maintenance is key in achieving goals and meeting the expectations of everybody involved. Thanks for watching. For more information about automating your processes, reach out to one of our RPA experts today.